Welcome to the Fox 59 Marketplace.
Well, we are here today in the iHeart Studios, and we are joined by Darren Andrews. He is the clinic director of PAI. You know it's always going to be a good day when Darren is here to ambush somebody.
Yeah, another VIP, guys. This time, ARTAS Robotic FUE, another radio guy. Really excited. Let's go see who it is.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Indy's Alternative, Alt 1033. That was new stuff from 21 Pilots. That's a great new tune.
It is great
guys,
from Alt
what's up?
1033.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. So you're a couple weeks out from getting this procedure, but by the time this airs, he'll have had it done.
That's right.
What made you want to do this?
I had to go through with it after taking a long look in the mirror at my hairline. I was like, okay, if something can be done, let's correct this thinning. My wife, she says I'm always messing with my hair every chance that I get. So if I don't have it to mess with, I might go nuts, which will drive her nuts.
What attracted you to this procedure itself?
So I met with Darren at PAI and was introduced to all the procedures that could be done. And he went into the ARTAS Robotic FUE.
Yes.
And this is like the latest gold standard in this procedure, right? And I'm a tech guy anyways, all about technology. So I learned all about it. I was like, you know what? This is going to look awesome.
Yeah, and what's really neat is that PAI is the only place in Indiana that offers both of these procedures.
Yeah, the ARTAS Robotic FUE and the multi-unit hair grafting, actually one of two places in the entire country. But the first step, Heather, you've got to come in for that free evaluation like Crate did. Visit us at the website at WeGrowHairIndy.com or go to 1-888-724-5129. Don't forget, VIP page, lots of videos. We're going to track them through the process. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Cannot wait to see how it all turns out.
Me too.